Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from Third Hill. This is going to be a gray shirt here. Let's open it up. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And look at, there's paper in it. Let me put that up here. And this is what it looks like here. It's going to have a zip. Look, I think it's called quarter zip, and long sleeve, and it's kind of made out of a like a dry fit kind of material here. So let's try this one on here, and I got a size large. It should be. Let's see. Yep, size large. So let's take off my microphone here. Oh, I don't know why I did that. Okay, and here we go. So I'm going to try this on here. I am close to 190 pounds and 5'10". So it'll give you an idea of how it looks on me. So this is it here. It's kind of nice. I like the way it feels. It's got a good feel to it. It is, here's the thing, washed separately. Oh, it is 100% polyester. So this is what it looks like here without a shirt on underneath it or anything like that. It's got a little bit of space in there. It goes down to like about the top of my butt here, you can see. The arms are nice, good length. Feels good. Feels like a good shirt. Actually, it's kind of nice. I like this one. And it's got a good collar and everything. Look at that. I could wear this thing anywhere. Look at that. Very nice. So this is what it looks like here from Third Hill. I'll probably wash it and get rid of a few of the wrinkles maybe, but you get the idea. Looks good. Fits me really well. So I'm going to say this is a great shirt. Thumbs up for sure. Super comfortable. And it looks good. I can wear this with jeans, wear it out whenever, and I'm good to go. So thumbs up. Like it.